Look at this muffin loaf. Look at this muffin loaf. Say hi, Butters. Oh, you want to go? Oh, okay, help yourself. The bed is kind of a mess right now, so let me clean that up for you real quick. Boom, and just like that, we have a fresh new bed. Where's the corgi? Where is the dog? Do you guys see her? Oh, there you are. Hey, Butters. Who's a good girl? Get that nice breeze going. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay here, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new review. As you guys can see by the title, we are reviewing another Fugazi shoe, so let's get into it. Where the hell? Where did I put that box? There we go. So right in front of us, we have our brand new pair of sneakers that I picked up from the family over at eBay. This is not a sponsored video. I literally picked these up because I loved how they came out in pictures. So I wanted to do a quick little unboxing and quick little review for you guys. So as you guys can tell by the title, these are the Fugazi Slug interpretation of the dunks, or inspiration. So if you guys have never seen a pair of these, they're basically like a remake of a Dunk Low model. Now these aren't from Nike or anything like that, and I don't want to get into it too in depth or anything, but I just want to show it to you guys and give y'all the little unboxing experience. First things first, right off the bat, I noticed that the box is pretty heavy. Like, just carrying that box upstairs, it feels like a very dense pair of sneakers, and that could be because we have a crazy looking box right here. So the box always goes crazy with Fugazi, or Fugazi, his brand. He always executes real nice, so the packaging is actually A1 steak sauce. So as you guys can see on the top, it says 1 pair of slugs. Warning, keep out of the reach of resellers, biters, and unauthorized persons. Read all warnings on box. That's actually interesting because I have never seen that part. I literally haven't seen any reviews on these, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wing this. We're all experiencing this at the same exact time. Of course, you have the brand right there, and then ooh, on the top, this is actually super sick. We have that same warning sign, Fugazi Slug, and then it says probably the best purchase you've ever made. Ooh, that's a bold statement. So I went with a size 10, true size. Hopefully they fit well. Let's take a look at the shoes. Oh yeah. Of course, we have this amazing dust bag. I'm telling you guys, when it comes to Fugazi, does not skip out on the packaging. I love that. Slugs tongue tags, okay. Damn, I'm genuinely impressed, like right off the rip. Let me just pull the rest out, see what we got in here. I see a couple laces. So we have a white set, we have a black set, and we also have a red set that comes on the shoes. So we got 3 lace choices. Trevor Gorgie, or Trevor Gorgie, whatever, however you pronounce his last name. Mad respects, bro, because to be a designer for all of this and just actually execute everything properly is real big, and I think you're doing it pretty nice from what I can tell. So everything looks good so far. We also have a little dust bag right here that contains the aglets. We'll get into that a little bit later. Slug tongue tags, 2 reasons for buying Fugazi Slugs. Are you satisfied with your slugs? If not, too bad. Let's go ahead and check out the shoes. So like I mentioned before, these are not an official Dunk. They're not made by Nike or anything. This is a remade pair. So basically, a lot of companies have been doing this recently. I feel like this year has been the year of bootlegs, as well as the previous year as well. So this one has the shotgun, of course, but there have been a couple other drops that were the one in the chambers, which I really enjoy. Obviously, this is inspired by the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Paris colorway. Now, if you guys don't know about the Paris colorway, it was basically released a while back, and there were only 150 to 200 pairs if I remember correctly. And if you go on StockX right now, those things are going for crazy bread. I'm talking about like $100,000 for a pair of sneakers. And to be honest, these are inspired by the Parises, but these are just in their own lane, if that makes sense. It's a little bit weird to explain, but look at the details on these things. So if we look up close on the artwork over here, similar to the Parises, you have different artwork canvas going along the top of the sneaker, and it's of course broken up with this nice cream or sail outsole. It's not a completely solid white, and I really like that because it plays off of this nice suede. I also love how he changed up the different materials. So we went from canvas to leather to suede, which is amazing. The quality, the stitching, I mean, this shoe is built extremely well. Now, if you guys are into Nike Dunks, or you have a pair of Nike Dunks, you know that the perforations are a certain pattern. So these ones it's kind of spread out the way that a shotgun would hit. So that's going along with the theme. You have all of the hits right there, which is pretty sick. And the way that they do it is, I believe they laser it into the suede and it leaves the burn marks in there. So it gives it this really nice effect. I don't know how to explain it, but I really like that. On the tongue, we have his logo, of course, super nice. And then on the insole, I wish it wasn't a white insole, but you know, it is what it is. It has the Fugazi logo. Ooh, and it looks like the back tag has something as well. It has exactly what we saw earlier on that paper. So if you guys are wondering what I paid for this shoe, I believe I paid maybe $250 for these, honestly, just to see how they would be in person. And I'm the kind of person that if I see something I like, of course I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna wear it. I'm not buying it to resell or anything. At the time, I think I bought the cheapest pair that was on eBay, so these might be going for around like 300 bucks. So if you guys are curious, I will have a link down below if you guys want to go ahead and check it out just to look, or if you guys want to purchase any of them. I think eBay is your best bet so far. Let's take a look at the outsole real quick. You got the shells down here, very similar to a Dunk outsole. And just in case you guys are curious, here is a quick look at the insoles. Once again, Trevor or the Fugazi brand, they never miss the details when it comes to creating these sneakers. I think it's pretty interesting how a separate brand or just a couple people, I don't know how many people he has on his team, they can create a concept, have it made overseas, and just make something super dope. So something like this right here, I don't know if they could get sued for this. It's very similar to a Nike Dunk. And you guys obviously already know about the Warren Lotus situation. So I wanna know what you guys think about these shoes right here. Would you be caught wearing a pair? Are you guys still rocking with official sneakers only? Because if you guys watched my previous video on the Fugazi one in the chambers, I asked a lot of you guys if you would wear these sneakers. And to my surprise, a lot of people said for a bootleg, those things are actually fire. And it's crazy that the material and the build is very similar, if not better, than a lot of the retail pairs that we're getting. Like, are we getting this many laces in an official Nike SB drop? Are we getting a dust bag? Are we getting some dope aglets that I haven't even showed you guys yet? We got mini shotgun shells right here. These are aglets that you could put onto the lace tips. I think it's a super cool concept. Again, these are a cop for me. These are stupid fire. You will not catch me buying $100,000 sneakers. Even if I had all the bread in the world, I don't think I would be able to justify that. Let me know what you guys think about these. I'll be reading all of the comments in the comment section down below. And if you guys watch this video without skipping anything, let's comment something crazy down below. In this video, I want you guys to surprise me with a random comment that you come up with down below. All right, I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. I hope y'all have a beautiful weekend, week, morning, evening, nighttime, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I will see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Deuces.